close your eyes and immerse yourself in the soothing whispers of nature as we embark on a journey through the tranquil woods. Let the gentle rustle of leaves and the distant chirping of birds guide you through this enchanting forest, where every step brings you closer to inner peace and tranquility. Welcome, dear listener, to our journey through the woods. Take a deep breath and let the stillness of the forest envelop you. Feel the soft earth beneath your feet as you walk along the winding path, surrounded by towering trees and dappled sunlight. Pause for reflection as you listen to the gentle murmur of a nearby stream, its crystal clear waters flowing peacefully over smooth stones. Close your eyes and imagine the cool touch of the water against your skin, washing away any tension or worries. As we continue our journey, notice the delicate scent of pine needles in the air, mingling with the earthy fragrance of moss and damp soil. Take a moment to breathe in deeply, filling your lungs with the fresh, clean air of the forest. Pause again to admire the beauty of your surroundings, allowing yourself to be fully present in this moment of tranquility. Notice the vibrant hues of green all around you, from the lush ferns carpeting the forest floor to the shimmering leaves dancing in the breeze above. Let the peaceful melodies of nature soothe your soul as we walk deeper into the heart of the woods. Feel a sense of calm wash over you with each step, as if the very essence of the forest is embracing you like a warm embrace. Pause once more to listen to the gentle symphony of the forest, the rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, the gentle creaking of branches swaying in the wind. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment, letting go of any worries or distractions. As our journey comes to an end, take a moment to express gratitude for this serene experience. Carry the peace and tranquility of the woods with you as you return to your daily life, knowing that you can always come back to this place of inner calm whenever you need it. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the woods. May the tranquility of nature stay with you always, guiding you on your path to inner peace and serenity.